da 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 da. Hey! Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? It's Chris Prescott back with you again with a fabulous new program called Questions for Chris. And today's topic is something fabulous that's near and dear to my heart, and it's called timely renewal. But before we get to our topic today, I'd like to make a couple of thank yous and announcements. First of all, I'd like to thank our studio audience for joining us today. Thank you so much, studio audience, for being here. If you'd like to be a part of our studio audience, please send me your photo business card, and I would be more than happy to put you into the audience, and we'll see you on the next show. And second, I'd like to thank my friend Jerry from California for my tie of the week. It's a fabulous tie of the week from Jerry, and it is called New York at Night. If you'd like to donate a tie to the show, again, feel free to throw it in the mail, and I'd be more than happy to recognize you and note your celebrity status on the show. Thanks a lot. So, we're going to talk about timely renewal. And what is timely renewal? Well, for real estate agents in the state of Minnesota, you need to have a real estate license, and you need to make sure that your real estate license is up to date. So rather than having me talk about a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, I'm going to go right to letters from real viewers that I happen to have right here. Here it is, real questions from real viewers. And the first one comes to us from Chuck in White Bear Lake. And Chuck says, Chris, is my real estate license good forever, or do I have to do anything to renew it? Chuck, that's a great question. Thanks very much for sending that. Yes, your real estate license is good forever if you renew it. Thanks a lot, Chuck. I appreciate that. Our second question today comes from Pat in Apple Valley. Pat says, hey, Chris, how many hours does a real estate salesperson need, and when are those hours due? Pat, that's a great question, and I'm going to really kind of go into detail on this one because I think that's important. First of all, a Minnesota real estate salesperson needs 30 hours of continuing education every 2 years. Of those 30 hours, one of them needs to cover agency, your federal law as far as agency requirement, Minnesota state law, and your fair housing requirement, 1 hour of fair housing. So you need 1 hour of agency and 1 hour of fair housing. You also, of those 30 hours, 15 of them have to be taken in the first year of your 2-year period. So the question is, hey Chris, what is the year? Well, the CE year or the renewal year starts July 1st and runs through June 30th. So every June 30th, certain licenses are due, so you kind of have to check with your broker to see if yours is due this coming June 30th. So 15 hours in your first year, 15 hours in your second year. Be sure to check with your broker, make sure you got agency, and make sure that you also have fair housing. If you have any questions about anything regarding to agency, I'd like you to go to the Minnesota Department of Commerce. Here is their information and their contact information. If you have any questions for me, you can reach me, Chris Prescott, at 952-944-1728. And I'd just like to take the opportunity to thank you again for showing. This has been Questions for Chris. Da 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 da.